on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, I should say. If you haven't guessed it by now, we are on the road. Doge was supposed to come, so for now it's just my girlfriend and I. Doge ran into some issues with the car, with his Civic. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know how to explain it. Bolt backed out, that shouldn't have backed out. Broke one of his cam position sensors or something like that. So he's getting that sorted out, and then he's got to rip his transport anyway to fix that third gear issue, like shim his diff and stuff that he put in that wave track or whatever. But anyway, so it's just the two of us heading out here, and we are right now at the top of the Mogollon Rim, which is like North Payson, like I said, but probably about 2 hours, hour and a half from home. So we got about another 10-hour drive ahead of us, and it's about 9 in the morning right now, but feeling decent. Car really isn't that bad. I mean, we packed it kind of heavy, so a little less room than even the little bit that we had, but I don't know, the seats aren't bad. Once we get out on the interstate here, hit the cruise control, slide the seat back, it should be fine. But in the meantime, hopefully you guys are enjoying this B-roll, and we'll catch up with you guys a little bit later on in the video. So we are in the middle, almost to Colorado border. Looks exactly like Kansas every time I've driven through Kansas. So it's at least a lot prettier than the desert of the southern New Mexico stuff, because that still sucked. Like, it was really, really ghetto. Even when we stopped for food, like I had to have my tool on me. So that way, I don't know. I just felt like we were gonna get stabbed and then end up in one of those crackhead parks we had to drive through. But only a couple more hours. I think like 3 hours left, so that's not bad. So before we head out to the event, I kind of wanted to show you guys, this hotel is a little on the sketchier side. Thankfully they have like nice ladies up front, so they were really adamant about like keeping an eye on the car through the cameras and stuff. But like, first thing I noticed when we walked in last night is that some Kyle came in here and just got done beating his wife and decided to take it out on the door. And then they plastered that. And then here in the bathroom on the curtain, it's like it's like blood or something. So I don't know what that's about, but yeah, a little sketchy. So we're about to get some breakfast quick, and then we're gonna head on down to the event, try and meet up with Chris. He's been there since like 5:30 in the morning. It's like 7:45 right now. We wanted to sleep in a little bit. It was a long day yesterday with all the traffic jams or the construction zones and stuff. It ended up being like a 14 and a half hour day on the road. So yeah, much needed sleep. But we still have the car here, and it wasn't broken into, so I think we're good. Stinking car is so freaking dirty. Look at that, it's just all nasty. My wheels are like black, my fenders and the whole paint is white. Oh god. She needs a bath. Then we're going to a car event too. God, that bump's not cool.
put up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Come back. Oh yeah. They're all just chilling. It has been a pretty eventful day. The Slush meet was awesome. It was the first year that Chris had hosted it, him and his partners, and it was a really good time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that footage. I know I got to meet Crispy Media. I've been watching his videos since like 2014, so that was honestly incredible to me. And I don't really get to meet many people where I'm feeling like actually like really stoked on. Like I've met Zosh and Mark and Dana, all those other Honda YouTubers and stuff, but it wasn't the same sensation because I talk to them regularly on social media and whatnot. So when we met in person, it was finally just like, oh, hey, what's up? Whereas meeting Crispy, for me, watching his videos for the last 7 years, taking lots of inspiration from my YouTube for his, I was just like, oh, dang, like he's actually here. He's a real dude. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm on the road now. We're about I don't know, I'd say hour and a half, 2 hours, yeah, about 2 hours into this trip back home. So we still got another like 9 hours. We're in Trinidad, Colorado at the moment. So I may or may not add a little bit more B-roll. I don't know how long this video is. So if I don't add any more B-roll, then this will be the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed it, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you consider subscribing. If you want to help support the channel, I do have a Patreon. I also do have merch and Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to get any of the tools, welders, and camera gear that I have. But anyways, guys, yeah, do what you love, forget about the rest, and enjoy the B-roll if there is any. If not, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.